Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best wood-burning camping stove. So let's get started. Number 7. BioLite Campstove. We at Gearhose love innovative products, and BioLite wood-burning campstove is one such product. The BioLite wood-burning campstove is a unique wood-burning camp stove that also features an off-grid power charger as well, and is the perfect fit for backcountry camping and emergency preparedness. The BioLite camp stove weighs a little more than 2 pounds and has dimensions of 5" x 5" x 8.3". It has an inbuilt stand so that it need not touch the ground while in operation. The stove has an internal starter battery to help kickstart the fire once the burning wood is loaded and the stove is turned on. Number 6. Solo Stove Lite. Solo is one of the most established names in the field of wood-burning camping stoves. The Solo Stove Lite is one of the smaller versions of the standard Solo stove, which is larger and heavier than this light version, and designed specifically as a portable wood-burning backpacking stove. The Solo Stove Lite model is cylindrical shaped with a base diameter of 4.25 inches and a height of 3.8 inches/5.7 inches. It weighs only 9 ounces and comes with a storage pouch for easy transportation. It has a full stainless steel construction. Like all other Solo stoves, the Solo Stove Lite is based on a patented design, which features a unique double wall that creates ultra-clean gasification and a secondary combustion, capable of boiling 1 liter of water in about 8 to 10 minutes. Number 5. Camping Stove Ohuhu. If you are looking for an inexpensive, yet fully functional and durable wood-burning backpacking stove, then check out the Ohuhu stainless steel wood-burning camp stove. It is a lightweight, compact and well-crafted stove. This stove is made of high-quality, heat-resistant stainless steel and weighs a tad over 14 ounces. The stove provides a decent 5.3-inch burning chamber that can take twigs, branches, pine cones, and other kindlers as fuel. You can even use solid fuel tablets with the stove. The vent at the bottom allows a nice flow of air, improving the thermal efficiency. One of the major advantages of this stove is that it features a 3-arm support system that provides a stable cooking surface and can support bigger pots and pans. This design also helps in even distribution of heat. Number 4. Lixada Camping Stove. Made from hardened stainless steel, this is a rugged and durable stove that is ideal for camping and backpacking. It has an open design that makes it easy to add the wood, even while the fire is burning. You can run this stove on small twigs, so you do not need to carry fuels with you, and nor do you need to collect huge amounts of wood. The sturdy structure of this stove means it is safe to use on most surfaces, as the legs will hold it in position. This is a portable camping stove that comes in a reusable pouch for easy transportation. The panels are removable to make this a foldable item. Number 3. CANWAY Camping Stove. Compact and lightweight, the CANWAY Camping Stove is ideal for both camping and backpacking. This portable wood-burning stove is collapsible, so you can fit it neatly in your backpack. Despite this, it is still a sturdy camping stove. It has a solid circular base that will not tip and 3 arms to hold a pot while cooking. This means it is perfectly safe to use, and you can set it up on most surfaces. Its size is best suited to lone travelers or people traveling in couples, as it is best to use smaller pots on this camping stove. A great feature of this stove is its thermal efficiency, which is thanks to its secondary combustion that keeps the stove burning for at least 20 minutes. It comes with a storage bag to protect the stove and for easy transportation. Number 2. Solo Stove Campfire. These two products are produced by the same manufacturer and have the same features. The only difference between the two is the size. One is intended for between 2 and 4 people to use, and the other is for groups of 4 or more. These award-winning stoves are praised for their innovative design, which features a patented feature that reduces the amount of smoke released by using a double wall that also creates secondary combustion. These compact stoves can also cook your food quickly, and the manufacturers state they will boil water in as little as 4 minutes, which means it is one of the best wood-burning camp stoves in terms of cooking performance. Number 1. BioLite Basecamp Wood Burning. This is a little different to many of the other wood-burning stoves on the market, as it converts the heat into electricity to use later. The heat is stored in a lithium-ion battery, so you can cook using the stove later even without the fire. You can also use the energy to charge your smartphone. The top of the stove has a grill plate large enough to cook up to 8 burgers. There is a function to switch the flame from direct heat for pot boiling to a dissipated heat for grilling. It has a removable tray that collects the ash for easy cleaning.